Good afternoon to all. Welcome to the Education Institute. Today we will discuss lecture number 7 about weekly current affairs, and that current affairs is related to November 17 to November 23rd, 2025. Question of the day of today's lecture is: who became the new member of BRICS Plus in 2025? Who became the new member of BRICS Plus in 2025? Your option is Indonesia, Nigeria, Turkey and Saudi Arabia. There are a collection of 100 MCQs. 100 MCQs is and very important questions related to this week. Now coming to the questions. Question number 1. Question number 1. Question number 1 is: which organization recently released Global AI Ethics Framework? Which framework? Global AI Ethics Framework 2.0 in 2025. Your option is UNESCO, WHO, IMF and WEF. The correct answer is UNESCO. Correct answer is UNESCO. What was the framework? Global AI Ethics Framework. Right? Now coming to the next question. India's first national digital rail network hub. India's first national digital rail network hub start in 2025. Where? Bhopal, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Bengaluru. The correct answer is Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Which country launched Green Hydrogen Maritime Corridor with India in 2025? Your question is: which country launched Green Hydrogen Maritime Corridor with India in 2025? The option is Japan, UAE, France and UK. UAE means United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. In which sector did India launch National Tech Sovereignty Mission in 2025? In which sector did India launch National Tech Sovereignty Mission in 2025? Your option is Defense, AI and Quantum, Renewable Energy and Agriculture. The correct answer is Artificial Intelligence and Quantum. National Tech Sovereignty Mission. India's GDP growth projection in the Global Financial Stability Report released in 2025. According to Global Financial Stability Report 2025, what was the projection of India's GDP growth rate? Your option is 6.4, 7.2, 6.8, 7.5%. So the correct answer is 6.8% is the projection, right, estimated as per the report of Global Financial Stability Report, right? With which country did India establish Cyber Security Rapid Response Link in 2025? Is it signed between India and USA. India and USA. Cyber Security Rapid Response Link in 2025 has been signed between India and USA. Which state launched the first AI-based judicial fast-track system in 2025? Right? The question is: which state launched the first AI-based judicial fast-track system in 2025? Correct answer is Kerala. Correct answer is Kerala. Kerala, I think the highest literacy is also in Kerala. In which country was the World Food Resilience Summit? World Food Resilience Summit held in 2025. Your option is Brazil, Germany, Ethiopia and France. The correct answer is France. Correct answer is France. India launched a new deep space network station for which space mission in 2025? Very important questions. India launched a new deep space network station for which space mission in 2025? Right? Gaganyaan 2, Chandrayaan 4, Aditya L2 and Mars, you can say. So the correct answer, what will be the correct answer? The correct answer is no, not Mars, it's a Sukriyaan. Sukriyaan. Correct answer is Sukriyaan. Right? India has launched a new deep space network station for which space mission in 2025? The correct answer is Sukhriyaan, right? From which country did India take technical assistance for a small modular nuclear reactors, SMR, small modular nuclear reactors for the first time in 2025, right? The correct answer is USA. The correct answer is USA. What was India's position in the Global Migration Index of 2025? And what was the position of India? What was the position of India in the which index? Global Migration Index. Your option is first, second, third, and fifth. The correct answer is third. India's position is third in the Global Migration Index. What was the rank of India in the Asia Defense Dynamics report released in 2025? What was the rank of India in the Asia Defense Dynamics report released in 2025? First, second, third, and fourth. The correct answer is second. In which field did India, Sri Lanka open a joint technology center in 2025? In which field did India, Sri Lanka open a joint technology center in 2025? And the correct answer is sea security. Correct answer is sea security. Sea security. Where did India's largest renewable energy park of 2025 start? Where did India's largest renewable energy park? Right? The question is India's largest renewable energy park. Your option is Kutch, Jaisalmer, Nimrana, and Tirunelveli. Correct answer is Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, Kutch in Gujarat, Nimrana in Rajasthan. Right? Where was India's first AI-based disaster forecast center established in 2025? Where was India's first AI-based disaster forecast center? In AI-based disaster forecast center, India's first established in 2025. Your option is Puri, Dehradun, Guwahati, and Visakhapatnam. The correct answer is Dehradun. Dehradun is in Uttarakhand. Puri in Odisha, Guwahati in Assam, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. Right? In which category did IMF place India in 2025? In which category did IMF, International Monetary Fund, place India in 2025? Correct answer is a stable high growth economy. India's economy is high growth with stability, means a stable high growth economy has been given by IMF to India. Who launched the first 6G pilot service in India in 2025? 6G pilot service in India. First 6G pilot service, right? First. The correct answer is Reliance Jio. 6G pilot service, right? The correct answer is Reliance Jio. 4G, 5G, and then 6G. First launched by Reliance Jio. Which country will become the world's first to appoint an AI foreign minister? AI foreign, artificial intelligence foreign minister in 2025. Name, what is the name of the country? Estonia, UAE, Israel, and Singapore. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be Singapore. Singapore is the country where a new portfolio has been started. The name is AI foreign minister, right? AI foreign minister. And this is the world's first to appoint AI foreign minister, Singapore. With which country did India sign the Lunar Logistic Corridor MOU in 2025? With which country India signed the Lunar Logistic Corridor MOU in 2025? Your option is Japan, France, USA, and UK. The correct answer is Japan. India and Japan has signed for the Lunar Logistic Corridor MOU. In which state was India's first biodigital agriculture district declared in 2025? In which state was India's first biodigital agriculture district declared in 2025? Your option is Punjab, Bihar, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Karnataka. What was India's rank in the Global Startup Ecosystem Index released in 2025? What was India's rank in the Global Startup Ecosystem Index released in the 2025? The correct answer is 5th. Which state of India became the first state to implement Zero Landfill Policy Act in 2025? Which state of India became the first state to implement Zero Landfill Policy Act in 2025? The correct answer is Kerala. The correct answer is Kerala. Which space agency announced the Solar Shield mission? Solar Shield mission in 2025. Which agency announced the Solar Shield mission in 2025. Your option is ISRO, NASA, USA, JAXA, right? NASA, USA. NASA is related to USA, and ISRO in India. This is European Union, USA, and JAXA means Japan. JAXA means Japan. So the correct answer will be NASA. Solar Shield mission is projected by NASA. Okay? In which new human development category did UNDP place India in 2025? In which new human development category did UNDP place India in 2025? High SDI. Correct answer is high SDI. SDI means Human Development Index. So India's position is high SDI has been given by UNDP. Where did India establish the new national marine? Where did India establish the new National Marine Biodiversity Authority in 2025? Kochi. Correct answer is Kochi. National Marine Biodiversity Authority. In 2025, India became the biggest foreign direct investor of which country? This is a very important question. Normally, we are reading or teaching about that which country invested in India, the more FDI in India. Now the question is just opposite. In which country India has invested maximum FDI? So your option is Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. Now tell me what will be the correct answer. Your option is correct answer is Bhutan. India has invested maximum FDI in Bhutan. So India became the biggest foreign direct investor. India became the biggest foreign direct investor of which country? The correct answer will be Bhutan, right? Which organization publishes Digital Democracy Index in 2025? Digital Democracy Index was published by which country? Which organization? World Bank, EIU, Economist Intelligence Unit, EIU, UNESCO, European Union Policy Center, right? What will be the correct answer? EIU. Correct answer is EIU. For what purpose did India launch the National Reservoir Linking Mission in 2025? What was the purpose of this mission? National Reservoir Linking Mission 2025. What was the purpose? Water conservation, right? Agricultural irrigation, exactly. Drought management, right? So the correct answer will be all of the above. Correct answer will be all of the above. What was the mission? National Reservoir Linking 2025. Which country created the first drone-based postal constitutions in 2025? Which country created the first drone-based postal constitution in 2025? Your option is USA, Japan, Germany, and South Korea. So the correct answer will be South Korea. South Korea created the first drone-based postal constitution in 2025. With which country did India sign a space-based climate surveillance MOU? A space-based climate surveillance MOU in 2025. The correct answer is France. With which country did India sign a space-based climate surveillance in 2025? The correct answer is France. In which country did the world's first AI Parliament Committee start? World's first AI Parliament Committee start in 2025. Correct answer is UK, United Kingdom, UK. Which state opened the first nitrogen market exchange in India in 2025? Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, and Punjab. The correct answer is Gujarat. Which state opened the first nitrogen market exchange in India in 2025? Gujarat is the correct answer. Now, coming to the next question, question number 33. With which country did India sign a non-military nuclear tech collaboration? Non-military nuclear tech collaboration agreement in 2025 has been signed between India and Japan. India and Japan. What position did India hold according to the World Energy Market? World Energy Market review released in 2025. So the question is, what is the position of India in this area? World Energy Market review. Position of India is third. The position of India is third, right? Which country became the first country to implement AI-driven Supreme Court monitoring system in 2020? You have to choose the correct country. Which country has implemented AI-driven Supreme Court monitoring system. The correct answer is India. Correct answer is India. Which country passed the Ocean Warming Emergency Act in 2025? Right? Which country passed the Ocean Warming Emergency Act in 2025? The correct answer is Australia. Correct answer is Australia. In which sector did India start a space-grade carbon composite industry for the first time in 2025? Aerospace. In which sector did India start a space-grade carbon composite industry for the first time in 2025? The correct answer is aerospace. Which Indian city was declared as City of Coastal Culture by UNESCO in 2025? Right? Question number 38. Which Indian city was declared as City of Coastal Culture by UNESCO in 2025? This is very important question. Your option is Puri, Thiruvananthapuram, Dwarka and Kochi. The correct answer is Dwarka. Correct answer is Dwarka. Question number 39. Which country will create the world's first AI-based urban heat shield in 2025? Correct answer is UAE, United Arab Emirates. With which country did India establish biophotonics research platform in 2025? Right? With which country did India establish biophotonics research platform in 2025? Correct answer is Israel. Correct answer is Israel. Which Indian city ranked highest in the Global Urban Mobility Index 2025? The correct answer is Pune. With which country did India launch the Quantum Cryptography Defense Corridor in 2025? With which country did India launch the Quantum Cryptography Defense Corridor in 2025? The correct answer is USA, United States of America. India's position in the World Bank Digital Governance Report released in 2025. What was the position of India in the World Bank Digital Governance Report? Right? Third position. India got third position in the World Bank Digital Governance Report released in 2025. Which state launched the first AI cyber-proof election network in India by 2025? The correct answer is Telangana. Correct answer is Telangana. Which country passed the National AI Literacy Act in 2025? Which country passed the National AI Literacy Act in 2025? The correct answer is USA. Correct answer is USA. With which country did India sign the first Trans-Himalayan Logistic Highway Pact in 2025? Nepal. India signed the first Trans-Himalayan Logistic Highway Pact in 2025 with Nepal. Who became the new member of BRICS Plus in 2025? And this was the question of the day which I have been asked earlier. Who became the new member of BRICS Plus in 2025? The correct answer is Nigeria. Correct answer is Nigeria. Where did India's first AI forensic lab for cybercrime start in 2025? Hyderabad. Correct answer is Hyderabad. Which country developed the first national carbon neutral airport network in 2025? UAE. Correct answer is UAE. With whom did India launch the Ocean Data Cube mission in 2025? With whom did India launch the Ocean Data Cube mission in 2025? And your correct answer is C. European Union. Correct answer is European Union. Correct answer is European Union. These are the 50 questions we have solved this, and rest of the 50 questions, I think the lecture should not be very large. So the next 50 questions, 51 to 100, we will discuss in second lecture, right? In second lecture, lecture number 7 and part 2, we will discuss in that lecture, right? Thank you so much for this class. Thank you.